Welcome to our channel. If you want to share your Notion workspace and invite team members to collaborate with you, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete workspace sharing and member invitation. Step 1. Log in to your Notion account and open the workspace you want to share with others. Step 2. Click on Settings and Members in the left sidebar. This is usually located near the bottom of the sidebar menu. Step 3. Navigate to the Members tab within the settings to view current workspace members and invitation options. Step 4. Click Invite Members or Add Members button to begin inviting people to your workspace. Step 5. Enter the email addresses of people you want to invite. You can add multiple email addresses separated by commas or add them one at a time. Step 6. Choose the permission level for each invitee. Options typically include full access for complete editing rights or can view for read-only access. Step 7. Add a personal message to your invitation if desired, explaining why you're inviting them and what you'll be collaborating on. Step 8. Click Invite or Send Invitations to email the invitations to all specified members. Step 9. Share individual pages by opening a page and clicking Share in the top right corner. You can grant access to specific pages without sharing the entire workspace. Step 10. Configure page permissions for each shared page. Choose whether invitees can edit, comment, or only view the content. Step 11. Generate a shareable link for any page by clicking Share and then Copy Link. Anyone with this link can access the page based on the permissions you set. Step 12. Monitor workspace members in the Members tab. You can see who has accepted invitations, remove members, or change their permission levels at any time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.